So I will call upon now another presenter delegate, who is Dr. Hostuk Zoriana from Ukraine. And the title of presentation is Landscape Background for Tourism and Recreational Development in Carpathian Mountain area. Is Dr. Hostuk Zoriana there? Okay. Okay, now the floor is yours. You have 10 minutes to deliver.
Can you see?
Yes, yes, we can see. Yes. Yes, you continue, please.
Thank you. My name is Zoriana Hostuk, Gutsushina National Nature Park, Ukraine. Landscape basis for the tourism development in Pokutya Carpathians, Ukrainian Carpathians. The favorable conditions of nature conditionals, geological structure, relief, climate, soil and flora covering of the Pokutya Carpathians, one of the most diverse natural and
hello, somebody's mic is unmute. Allah, Dr. Allah, your mic is unmute. Please mute. Hello.
The special distribution of the attraction natural, including nature protection territories and objects, is revealed. Landscape terrain assessment is basis on the degree of favorable tourism and recreation as. Location. The Pokutya Carpathians are part of the Ukraine Carpathians, which is located between the Prut River and its right back tributary Cheremush within the Kosiv and partly Verkhovena district of Ivano-Frankivsk region. The aim of our study was the analysis the natural conditions of the region researched. The ultimate goal was to assess the degree of favorability of the landscape complex for the recreations and tourism activities. The natural conditions of the Pokutya Carpathians are characteristic by a considerable diversity due to the peculiarities of geological structure and relief, temperature, continental climate, at rich biological and landscape diversity. For the Pokutya Middle Land, there is a predominance of the forest vegetation. The chain ridge are occupied by after forest meadows, and the view village are confined to the bottom of the river valleys. Geomorphological structure. According to the tectonic zoning, to the study area belongs to the inner zone Pokutya, covering of the Prekarpattia, Lagging Beach, and the Scythian Carpathian zones, which are structural part of the Carpathian fault region. From the geomorphological point of the view, the Pokutya Carpathians belong to the subregion of the Pokutsko-Bukovensky Carpathians, two discrete, the low hill terrain regions of the Pokutya-Bukovensky Carpathians and the regions of the mid-hill terrain of Scythian Pokutya Carpathians. The highest ridges peak. On the Pokutya Carpathians territory, there are a number of interesting geological objects that have been granted the status of the nature monuments. In addition to the geological monuments of nature in the low mountain of the Pokutya Carpathians, there are a stone complex on the separate ridge that are scientific, cognitive, sport, megalithic, and as athletic value. The largest of them are the stone complex on the Sotilsky chain, Chernoshora Hill, the Doubush stone in Pesanay Kamen Hill. Climate. The Pokutsky Carpathians climate, as already mentioned, is moderately continental with non-glacial summer and middle winter. Most of the precipitation occurs in the warm period, March-November, 73, 87%. A permanent snow cover is in the second half of January and melting at the end of March. Sustained snow covering and the presence of the several leaves, Kosiv, Yavoriv, village Shashore are the basis for the development of winter recreation, ski, snowboarding, sledding. River. A significant amount of precipitation contributes of the formation of the densely river sage network of in the Pokutsky Carpathians. The rivers of the studied belong to the Prut basin. The largest of them are the Black Cheremush, Berezhnitsa, and Iltsa rivers, which have a long tidal stretch, while the Luchka, Pistinka, Rybnitsa, Cheremush river cross at Pokutsky lowland. The rivers of the Pokutya Carpathians have gorge-like valleys with waterfalls and rivers in the channels. The largest waterfalls are the famous Shashore waterfalls and the Pistinka River and Kosivsky Huke on the Ribnica River. Water objects are activity asset for recreation and tourism. The slope, the flow velocity, the width of the channel, the fullness, the presence of rapids, and rolls of varying complexity in the channel of the Black Cheremush create excellent conditions for the extreme type of water recreation rafting. Forest found of the Pokutya Carpathians occupies more than half of their area, 28%. Forests are characterized by high diversity of species.
Hello, Dr.
For
Zoriana.
And tape. Yes.
You have, hello. You
Yes,
have
yes.
you have only 1 minute.
Thank you. While the middle wild of the Pokutya Karpaty is rich and varied, the Saskrofa, Malus malus, Vulpes vulpes, and other. A nature reservation on the territory Pokutya Carpathians, it is 27 objects nature reservation. Most it is National Natural Park Gutulshchina. Conclusion: the Pokutya Carpathians are characterized by a large variety of natural conditions, relief, geological structure, climate, water, resource, vegetation, soil, fauna, and landscape complex in general, and have significant recreation tourism potential. Nature conservation areas and objects are important for the development of tourism and recreation is particular the National Natural Park Gutulshchina and hydrological reserves, the Black Cheremush, Ribnica, and Pistinka River. Thank you for your attention.
Okay, thank you very much, Dr. Zoriana, for your presentation. Thank you so much. And now we